In this video, I want to talk about why it's necessary to provide an experiential learning experience to our learners. This could be either through activities, through relevant examples, or through relevant stories. Now, to explain this or the need for this, let me give you a very simple example. Can you learn how to do firefighting through watching videos? Or can you learn how to repair a car by watching videos? The answer would be no, right? It's because for these activities, you need to experience under supervision. You need to practice under supervision. You need to get feedback and then rectify the way you have been doing things during the practice sessions so that you're ready for the real world. So you just can't teach everything through slides, interactions, or online learning. You need to adopt a blended approach, include activities that are relevant for your learners so that the overall learning experience is effective. And with being effective, I mean it should make the learner job ready. It should make them ready to tackle the situations that they are likely to face in the real world and on the job. Follow me for more such tips on instructional design, e-learning, or anything related to training and development.